putting together conveyor belt systems or piping networks be as easy as dragging, dropping, and snapping together virtual Lego blocks? Well, it could be if you are using IronCAD Compose. Now, IronCAD Compose is a standalone package, but perhaps best of all, it's a free piece of software. It comes from IronCAD, one of the CAD software companies that specialize in direct editing. Once you install it, you get a stripped-down version of the software's model display environment along with preloaded library components. Depending on the kind of assembly you'd like to build, you can choose the tab below here, then start dropping your components onto this empty floor. Now, the pre-built library components have built-in intelligence. Well, that means they know how they are supposed to fit together, so you can snap them into place with little or no efforts to position them. It won't be as complicated as, for instance, creating assembly mating conditions to put things together. I was previously trying out conveyor belt assemblies, and now I'm going to try out the same with piping and tubing connectors. The connectors are in standard sizes, of course, but you may also customize them to your desired dimension, length, width, and so on using IronCAD's drag handles, and you can also enter the dimension you want in this field. Now, if you need to reposition something that you have already snapped into place, you can use IronCAD's tri-ball to drag and release the component into a place along a certain axis. The material library in IronCAD Compose comes with a collection of surfaces, textures, and materials you can apply on your design. It's not an extensive library, mind you, but it's quite enough to give you some basic colors and fields. The purpose of this option, of course, is to let you render your design into a graphic image to show your clients, to let them know how the project is going to look. There is an annotation option as well, so if you choose to add some notes as you are conveying your design, you can do that. As for output, IronCAD Compose supports a limited number of formats, including 3D PDF. Here, for example, is my design, published as 3D PDF. IronCAD Compose also works as a straightforward IronCAD file viewer with some annotation functions and some primitive shapes that are ready for you to use. But its greater purpose is probably to let people who create configurable assemblies show their design options to customers and clients, and doing so in a way that is quick and easy. Until next time, this is Kenneth Wong composing his Friday evening plans as he closes out a quick look at IronCAD Compose.